Hello my friends, so in this video today I'm going to be talking about receiving my first likes, comments and subscribers to my YouTube channel. My channel is focused on motorbikes, motorcycling, and I ride with a group of people very frequently. I'm on a few WhatsApp groups and I'm the admin of a quite a large Facebook group. So it was quite easy for me to share some of my earlier videos. I didn't share the first ones because I wasn't particularly proud of the quality of them, but once I felt that they were of reasonable quality, I did start sharing with my friends. So they started getting me my first views, and then YouTube itself started promoting some of my videos. I used my bike as the topic of discussion for one of the videos, and this bike has obviously some quite strong search terms, so it started getting some good views. Not huge, nothing to get too excited about, but it did attract my first few subscribers and my first comments and my first likes, and I was absolutely ecstatic. I did get some feedback about my voice talking a bit too slowly, blabbing on a little bit, but I think ultimately that was down to just not really doing any editing, not cutting anything out. There was quite a lot of pauses, so it was a 19-minute video which realistically probably could have been condensed down to 10 or 12 minutes. I also received my first dislikes, which it's hard to see it, but it's all part of the parcel of being a YouTuber. I didn't take it too personally, but it was really fantastic to see some comments coming in on my videos. People had obviously gained some benefit from watching it, so it was really good to see that sense of community forming really early on in my YouTube days, which has continued to grow from strength to strength ever since. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can continue following my YouTube adventures. If you've got any questions or stories about starting your YouTube channel, then please leave them in the comments below. And with that said, I will catch you all in the next one.